everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu the seed from the 26th to the 30th of April 2021 on Monday. And shares dejected Nokuzola waits up for Zithulele, who is busy getting drunk with Tusheleni. Mazulu and Phakade steps in and instructs Zithulele and Nokuzola to come to a decision about their commitment to each other on Tuesday. Mandlovu tells her family about the concert and they are all excited and want to take part. Zethu skips her meds again on Wednesday. While in solitary confinement, Dikama Dontsela has a dream of a mysterious figure approaching, spelling danger, and we soon discover that the mysterious figure is real and is planning something on Thursday. Fikile bonds with Mepo and discovers that a mysterious unidentified woman is watching him. She alerts Nkulego of the mysterious watcher. Who could this mysterious figure be on Friday? Zithulele accuses Nokuzola of trying to trap him into marriage. Mandlovu says if Nokuzola wants to leave, it must be handled according to traditional protocol. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.